In the video for today, I'm going to give you an idea through which you could create a new YouTube channel after your channel was terminated. I do understand how it feels when your YouTube channel is deleted or terminated, because I've gone through it. It was a trauma for me. I came out of that trauma after very long. It took me months, but it was kind of my mistake also. I accepted the fact and I moved on. Now, according to YouTube's policy, you cannot go ahead and create a new channel once your YouTube channel is terminated. I mean, there are a lot of clauses to that. You could go to, YouTube help and check on their community guidelines on when and how and exactly what the circumvention policy is. All right, you could do a search on Google, but that is the basic gist about circumvention by YouTube. Okay, so once your channel is terminated, there's no way that you could create a new channel on YouTube, because if you do so, they are somehow going to detect it and delete that channel also for you. So it is again going to be a pain when your new channel gets deleted. All right, now very interestingly, YouTube has come up with a new pilot program through which you could actually request to create a new channel, and that too using that email address which was banned on YouTube. This is a new pilot program that YouTube has come up with. If you get that option, just go for it, right? And it is very easy to apply. Just log into your Gmail account first using that same email address that is banned for YouTube, and then go to youtube.com and then click on sign in if you're not automatically signed in to YouTube using that email, and you are going to see this notification. If your channel is banned on that email address, you're going to see this. Your channel won't be put back on and all these things. But to the bottom, you are going to see another notification telling you currently your channel does not have access to YouTube's pilot program to apply for a new channel. Please stay tuned. So this is it. Okay. If you see, or if you get an option or a link, so as to say, telling you that you could apply for a new YouTube channel using the same email address, click on that link and apply. If you need to appeal, you tell YouTube, okay, send them a message, tell them that I want to apply for a new channel. I'm not going to, violate any of your terms and conditions or community guidelines. Please allow me to create a new channel. Send in an appeal, and I'm very much sure you are going to be approved. And if you want to learn more about YouTube's pilot program, you could click on this link. You're going to get all the details about how you could rejoin the YouTube community after a channel termination. Give my video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon. Take care, my friend.